Welcome back. I'm meteorologist Jake Doris here with your weather headlines. The chances for severe weather in our neighborhoods is beginning to worsen as we head into the afternoon with more guidance being released. And everyone, though, will see precip. However, all of our neighborhoods are going to see rain by the end of today. And following this event, temperature drop-off is going to be pretty significant once we get into the weekend. But what are we looking at right now? Right now, heading into the 12 o'clock hour, you can see that south in Indiana, that line of red, that is possibly storms and what could have been severe if that warm front that is along I-80 moved any more north, advanced any more into our state. What we have left over is just some heavy rain possibly throughout some of our southern neighborhoods, with more rain north headed into all of our neighborhoods this afternoon, which could later this afternoon bring some possibilities for other impacts, but nothing too severe anymore, even though our SPC outlook for today is still under a marginal risk because winds could still be a factor, as well as some possible hail. Let's talk about it. Ingredients for thunderstorms. Source of moisture is here. That is a check mark, but our present instability and lifting mechanism, that is what is lacking this severe weather possibility for today, because that lifting mechanism would have been that warm front, which again is stalling out just at the Indiana-Michigan border, and our present instability, which is a little bit just north of the warm front in our southern neighborhoods. That's why our southern neighborhoods could see the impacts of the wind and hail, but we also don't have that instability that is behind it. We needed that southerly flow to mix with our aloft westerly flow, allowing for updraft organization for severe weather. And since that's not happening, we're just dealing with a lot of rain. So let's break it down right now later into today. Here's still that line that's coming up, mostly rain for all of our neighborhoods in the 12 o'clock hour. We'll move this through. Once that line moves over to the east, really most of our neighborhoods will still be dealing with some rain, possibly some isolated thunderstorms with this. That could bring some hail, since again, we have some of that leftover instability that was north of the warm front. But by this evening, it'll all go away. It'll be replaced with cloud cover, and again, the event should be over. Now, tonight, rain will again end early in the early evening hour. Shouldn't be a problem for overnight or tomorrow morning's commute. Lows at about 39 degrees. While tomorrow, thankfully, we'll get a peek at the sun again. Highs at around 51 degrees. We'll start with clouds, but in the evening hours, in the afternoon and evening hours, the sun should make an appearance. Now, our 7-day forecast, like I said, we have the sun peeking out again. Partly cloudy skies on Saturday, high of 52, but it's after that, midway through the weekend, we start to see the decline in temperatures. Look at that. Cloudy skies throughout Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, with temps in the upper 30s, except for Monday. Look at that high, 33 degrees, very below average for this time of year. But don't worry, we'll be rebounding back into normal temperatures with 40 degrees and mostly sunny on Wednesday, and partly cloudy and 46 degrees on Thursday.